Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal. In this video lecture, we discuss about the further substitution on benzene derivative. Okay, means the topic in this video lecture session is effect of substituents in electrophilic substitution on monosubstituted benzene derivative. That means this one is the monosubstituted benzene derivative and C6H5X, and this is the substituent A, and what are the effects of this substituent for the further electrophilic substitution on this benzene derivative. We discuss about this topic. So before starting the discussions regarding this topic, I would like to remind you that if you do not subscribe this channel, or you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. Now we start our discussions about this topic, that in case of the monosubstituted benzene, that means this one, where this is a monosubstituted benzene derivative, and in this case of the further substitution reaction for the monosubstituted benzene derivative, the question is the next substitution occur at which position, that is in the ortho position, in the meta position, or in the para position. Which product will be the major product for the further substitution of the electrophilic for the further substitution of the monosubstituted benzene derivative, where would be the further substitution takes place, means at ortho position, meta position, or para position. This is the question. Okay, so for the further substitution of the monosubstituted benzene derivative, it is dependent on the nature of the A. Okay, this substituent, the substituent nature of the substituent can determine the formation of the ortho product, meta product, or para product. So totally the formation of the ortho, meta, and para product are dependent on the nature of the substituent A. The substituent A determines that which product will form for further electrophilic substitution on the monosubstituted benzene. Which product will form means ortho product, meta product, or para product, that is totally dependent on the nature of the A group. Okay, so and here it is measured that the substitutions rate, the rate of substitution occur at a faster rate than the benzene itself, or slower rate. Okay, faster rate or slower rate than the benzene itself. So this one is dependent on the nature of the A group. We discuss about this topic. For the further electrophilic substitution on the monosubstituted benzene, we have to see the nature of the A group and nature of the already present group or substituent, and we can find that the further substitution occur at which position, on ortho, on para, or meta. We can determine using the nature of A. When this Y group, or you can say it's A group, this A group is plus I effect operating group. When this A group is plus I effect when A is a plus I effect operating group, that means CH3 plus I and plus R, plus I or plus R effect operating group, or you can say plus M operating group. That time, suppose CH3 and NH2 OCH3. In this case, when A is plus I effect operating group or plus A is plus I effect operating group, means plus I inductive effect operating group. So for the case of plus I effect operating group or plus R effect operating group, or for plus M effect operating group, resonance effect, mesomeric effect, R and M. So for the plus I or plus R plus M effect operating group, for these groups the substitution occurs at ortho and para position. Further substitution occurs only at ortho and para position. This is the ortho position and this is the para position. So for the A group which has the ability of donating electron to the benzene ring, when A group donating electron to the benzene ring by plus I effect or plus M plus R effect, that time the orientation of the electrophilic substitution is at the ortho and para position. The major ortho and para position is the major attack position, and meta product also form with the ortho para position, ortho para product, meta product also form, but that is minor, 1% to 5% meta product is formed. So for orthopara substitution, A should be the plus I effect operating group or plus R effect operating group or plus M effect operating group. And in this case, what is happening, from the electronic effect of A, we can understand that a given substituent in benzene can orient the further substitution in ortho position, para position or meta position. When A is electron donating group, means electron donating inductive effect operating group, that time it activates the benzene ring. That time it activates the benzene ring. When A group is plus I effect operating group, this time it activates the benzene ring. A group activates the benzene ring, and rate of substitution is faster than benzene itself. Rate of the substitution for when A is electron donating group, that time it activates the benzene ring, it increases the electron density in the benzene ring. As a result, the electrophilic substitution occur at more faster rate compared to benzene itself. So it is the case when A is plus I effect operating group or plus R effect operating group. You can understand it clearly from the resonating structure of the sigma complex. Okay, the resonating structures of the sigma complex. If we draw the resonating structure of the sigma complex, for suppose here OMe group is attached, and for this case resonance structure okay, in this way, for the OMe group when present in benzene ring, the negative charge is coming in the ortho position due to resonance the ortho position is occupying a negative charge, okay, and similarly we can get other some resonating structures from it. Okay, look, the negative charge is coming due to resonance. The negative charge is concentrated on the ortho and para position. So in this case, when negative charge is coming at the ortho and para position, that time it is indicating the more electron density in the benzene ring, and for this reason it is called activating group. This group is called activating group. Activating group makes the faster rate of reaction, faster electrophilic substitution reaction than the benzene itself. Benzene itself, from the benzene, the substitution reaction occur at the anisole OMe CH3. This is called anisole, is faster. Okay, this is anisole. This is called anisole. And in case of anisole, the electrophilic substitution occurs at the ortho and para position, and the substitution rate of substitution is higher in the case of means anisole compared to the rate of substitution in case of benzene. Similarly, we discuss about now for some meta-orienting group or meta-orienting substituents. For example, when this one Y, or you can use A, is minus I effect operating group, minus I effect or minus M effect. When Y is minus I or minus M effect operating group, as for example chloro or NO2, this type of group, in this case it is considered as meta orienting. In this case, when Y group is minus I effect operating group or minus M effect operating group, this time meta orientation occur, means meta product is formed. The product, further substitution product should be a meta product. Okay, meta product is formed. In this case, benzene ring benzene ring deactivates. Okay, benzene ring is deactivated due to the electron withdrawing by the substituent. Substituent withdraws the electron pair from the benzene ring. So for this reason, the rate of substitution is slower than benzene itself. Rate of substitution becoming slower than the benzene, substitution rate of substitution occur in the benzene because of the Y group nature of the Y group substituent. Y group can withdraws the electron pair from the benzene ring. As a result, it deactivates the benzene ring and meta product is formed. Okay, and we discuss about the electronic effect of the Y group. Suppose NO2 group is present here. So in this case of NO2 group, is present in benzene ring, then what happens? Due to resonance, we can see the plus charge is coming, in the ortho position, and then the plus charge is coming at the para position, and then the plus charge is coming in the next resonating structure, at the ortho position. Okay, so here the benzene ring loses electron density. Benzene ring loses its electron density because NO2 group withdraws the electron pair from the electrons from the electron density from the benzene ring, making the benzene ring as the deactivating. So as a result, this is called the deactivating group and meta orienting group. So for this case, the rate of substitution becomes slower than the benzene itself. For comparing with the benzene, this for nitration of nitrobenzene is slower compared to the nitration of the benzene. Nitration of nitrobenzene occur at a slower rate because already present NO2 group in nitrobenzene deactivates the benzene ring. Okay. So this is the reason that why minus I effect operating group or minus R effect operating group, when present in benzene ring, it deactivates the benzene ring, and substitution, electrophilic substitution occur only at the meta position. But yes, some orthopara products are also formed with the meta product, but the amount is very little, means 1 to 5% only the orthopara product form, and the major product is the meta product is formed when the Y group is electron withdrawing group. Okay, and we can also understand this point that ortho position attack, meta position or attack, or para position attack using the stability of the sigma complex or the Wheeland intermediate. For if we consider the sigma complex, this one Y group, and for the substitution suppose a substitution occur NO2 here, and this one is electron withdrawing group, Y is electron withdrawing group, and this position is occupying by NO2 group. That time what happens, the plus charge is on the on that carbon where the electron withdrawals occur. So this one is very unstable structure. Okay, so for the case of this type of sigma complex when formed, okay, when Y group is electron withdrawing group and the nitration occurs at the ortho position, that time plus charge is on the position where the electron withdrawing occur. So this one is a very unstable structure. So this is the sigma complex. sigma complex or in the Wheeland structure, we see that the plus charge is on the carbon, where it is means electron withdrawing occur from this carbon, it is getting a plus charge, compared to if the substitution occur at the meta position. Look at this case when it is formed at meta position. That time the plus charge is not present in this carbon, so therefore the structure is not as much destabilized as it was in the plus charge case. So for this reason, and this meta product is the predominant product here. In the case of the sigma complex, we are seeing that this complex is more stable when the plus charge is coming in the second carbon atom compared to in the in this carbon atom. So for this reason, the sigma complex stability, using the stability of the sigma complex, we can also determine the orientation of the product. Means when monosubstituted benzene is further undergoing any electrophilic substitution, where the electrophile will come, means ortho, meta and para position. So I think you understand this topic, that where the further electrophilic substitution takes place when a monosubstituted benzene derivative is treated for further electrophilic substitution, where the further electrophilic substitution occur. That is the topic of discussion, and you understand this topic, that this is dependent on the already present substituent in the benzene ring. Okay, when the already present substituent is electron withdrawing, that time meta position substitution occur, further substitution occur at meta position, and it deactivates the benzene ring, and for this case meta orientation occurs. And when Y group is operating a electron donating effect, that time the benzene ring becoming activated, benzene ring gives the faster electrophilic substitution compared to the simple benzene itself. The monosubstituted benzene gives the faster rate. So that is the topic, and I think you understand this topic. I am trying to discuss it as easily as possible to you, to discuss this topic in a simple way. I am trying to discuss it in simple way. If you have any question, any confusion regarding this orientation of the further electrophilic substitution on benzene ring, then you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you find this video is useful for you, and some interesting points are in this video, present in this video, then you can like this video. And if you find that this channel is giving you some education, and you are getting some educational benefits from this channel, then you can subscribe this channel.